what do you think is the key in international cooperation in the media industry or in the film industry?
Well, I think the media industry and also the communications in general is very important to bring better understanding between countries, and that could foster an environment where there is greater understanding and trust. So the media has a very key role in this.
I think we have to share the same creative vision and then build trust. These two cultures from the West and from the East, if you can connect them, that's quite a possibility.
What's the key in cooperation? You know, the question or the answer is in the question. So one of my jobs on any movie set is collaborating with all the other people that are involved in making a movie. It's because my job involves everything from wardrobe to set design to where the locations are. And in the finishing the visual effects, we always look for the best people around the world to do it. So if we have something that is specialized in water, we find the best company in the world for that. So we collaborate with them. So everything is a collaboration and cooperation and communication.
Yes.
Just 3 C's.
I think for Chengdu, there's an enormous opportunity. If Chengdu wants to concentrate on being the home for co-productions, no other city in China is doing that. 如果你们就研究怎么跟别的国家合作，
OK，
这个是挺有意思的。还有说真的话，世界上越来越多需要了，这是非常重要的是人民对人民的沟通，是每个国家了解别的国家的风俗情况、历史、文化，是非常自然的。
Please give me 3 keywords about your understanding in China's movies or dramas.
Tradition, culture, and it's family too.
How about back at the United States?
It's about very similar things. And yeah, I don't know if there's a huge difference. It's that United States is this composite culture from people from all over the world. So they don't have a singular sort of source of this culture. So a lot of the stories have to be very universal and can't be too specific. So it's getting now to where specific cultures are being able to make movies at that same level. So the stories are essentially about the same thing, but they are more focused on the understanding of the people as they grew up and through the generations.
Who is your favorite Chinese actor or actress?
Well, everybody knows Jackie Chan, So
He will be here this time.
he will?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Hope I can see him.